Improving your site's search functionality can be a straightforward way to increase sales. Boost conversions with Adobe Commerce Live Search, a smarter way to shop. Live search, faster, smarter, personalized shopping, boost engagement and decisions. The Performance Workspace provides insights into search terms used by shoppers, helping identify trends, increase click-through rates, and improve conversion rates. It offers a snapshot of search metrics for a specific date range, including unique searches, searches by shoppers, counted uniquely if repeated after 1 hour within the selected date range, 0 results, percentage of unique searches yielding no results, helps identify gaps in product catalog or terminology. Popular results, top viewed products based on impressions only, not influenced by clicks or revenue. Limit, 500 terms. To specify a date range, click the calendar and select the desired dates. Search merchandising. Search merchandising refers to a set of rules that combine logic with actions to shape a shopper search experience in your store. You can use merchandising rules to boost, vary, pin, or hide products to calibrate search results in real time to support your business goals. Each rule has 3 main components. Conditions. The conditions that trigger an action. Adobe Sensei's powerful behavioral data analysis ranks products based on actions like most purchased, most added to cart, or most viewed. These rankings evolve dynamically as shopper behavior changes. And schedule a rule to be active for a period. You can also set a default rule that is applied even when no search term is set. Category merchandising empowers store owners to enhance the shopper experience by applying live search intelligent ranking rules to categories and subcategories. Adobe Sensei's powerful behavioral data analysis ranks products based on actions like most purchased, most added to cart, or most viewed. These rankings evolve dynamically as shopper behavior changes. Store owners can also manually adjust rankings by pinning, boosting, varying, or hiding products for better control. Creating a rule is simple. Click Add Rule, select the category, apply an intelligent ranking method, preview, and publish. Live Search then processes and activates the updated rankings automatically. GraphQL. The GraphQL workspace allows administrators to build and test GraphQL queries using their own data. This workspace supports the product search and attribute metadata queries. Tracking marketing performance through Adobe Live Search helps you understand what shoppers are looking for, what they're not finding, and what products are getting the most attention. With these insights, you can fine-tune your search experience, boost conversions, and drive smarter business decisions. What gets measured, gets improved.